Hello? What are you doing? Where's my angel bird? Where's the angel bird? Look at the birdies. What are you guys doing? Where's my angel bird? Can I get angel bird? I want an angel bird. Angel. Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? Daisy, are you a good girl? Do you love birdies? Do you love birdies? You're going to clam up? No. No, I want to hear, do you love birdies? Okay, what? I love birdies. Where's my I love birdies? Where's my I love birdies? Huh? Oh, what? There goes Red. There goes Red. Come on, Red, sing for us. What the? I don't hear no I love birdies. I didn't hear no I love birdies. Where's the I love birdies? What? You're not playing nice. We know you can say angel bird. Come on, Red. Red doesn't want to be in. What? I don't hear I love birdies. What you doing? What you doing? Why do you always clam up the minute we put you on camera? Huh? Why do you always clam up? It's like Red over here. As soon as you put him on camera, he shuts right up. Not you guys, though, huh? Huh, Delilah? Delilah loves the camera. Don't you, Delilah? You love the camera. Jeremiah, no, she's out in the living room. What? Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Is Delilah? Who do you love? Do you love birdies? Or do you love? You love Reagan? Do you love Daddy? Do you love Daddy? Do you love Daddy? Daisy. Daisy. Who do you love? Who do you love? Do you love birdies that fly? Do you love birdies that fly? Daisy, do you love birdies that fly? No, guess not. What are you guys picking out? It's late. Look at that. I just even moved the camera towards Red and he stopped singing. So, that's Daryl. That's Samantha. That's Prince. That's Jeremiah. There's R2. There's Daisy Duke and Tweety. Yeah. Oh, is she now? And that's Rex over there hiding. That's Sergeant Red. That's gorgeous up there. We seen you. Tweety, what are you doing the flower? And there's Joshua. Yeah, I'll pet the bird. And where's Cherry Girl? Where's Cherry Girl? Cherry Girl. Where's Cherry Girl? There's Cherry Girl. They're all camera shy. She's out in the living room. Say I love. Say I love. Say I love. Say I love. I love. I love. Who do you love, Daisy? Daisy. You're not going to say I love. You're not going to say I love. Oh, you're telling me. It's bedtime. It's bedtime, silly girl. Okay. That was enough. You don't want to... Samantha. What are you doing? Daisy Duke. No, that's Daryl. I didn't hear I love. Yeah, Daisy's a good... Daisy's a good girl, but I didn't hear I love. I didn't hear I love. Joshua beat the hell out of a pit bull. Jeremiah was a bullfrog. Come here, Jeremiah. Come here, Jeremiah. Yeah. Oh, you want to be? They're all afraid of the camera, except for Piggy here. Piggy, she don't care, huh, Delilah? Huh, Delilah? You don't care. We step up. Good girl. She's gonna give Daddy. Oh no, too hungry. Gotta eat. Say I love. Say I love. Hi, birdie. How's a birdie? How's a birdie? I don't hear I love. I don't hear I love Daddy. I didn't hear I love Daddy. Do you love Daddy? Say I love Daddy. Say I love Daddy. Gonna say I love Daddy? I love Daddy. Come on. Oh. What? What? No, I love Daddy. No, get to get on Daddy's shoulder. I send Mommy in here and you go bye-bye. Go night-night. Don't you want to go to bed? Do you want something to eat? Want? Yeah. You want something to eat? What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? Can I get kisses? Okay, come on. All right, she went her own way. Oh, we're going. You can go see her. Yeah, I see the bird. Do you see the birdie? Are they good birdies? Hi, birdie. Do you love it? Do you love the birdies? Yeah. Do you love the? Yeah. Do you love the birdies? All right, let's go. Will this be better? Say that's better. Say that's better. Say that's better. That's better. Not gonna say it? Not gonna say that's better? All right, are you a good girl? We're gonna go see her right now. Is this better?